everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video, we are going to learn how to send WhatsApp message to IndiaMART leads inquiries for banking service. So let's suppose I'm running banking service and I'm receiving many financial inquiries in my IndiaMART. Now I want to send automated WhatsApp message to all these inquiries, and to do this automation, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which requires no coding or programming skills. Here I just need to build connection between IndiaMART and AI Sensei. Pabbly Connect runs on two principles, which is trigger and action. Here as my trigger application, I am going to take IndiaMART from where I will receive new inquiry or the lead, and then in my action application, I am going to take AI Sensei, with the help of which I am going to send automated WhatsApp message to all these inquiries and leads. If you want to learn this amazing automation step by step, then let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to send automated WhatsApp message to banking service inquiries on IndiaMART. For this, we are going to create automation between IndiaMART and AI Sensei with the help of Pabbly Connect. So this is the landing page of Pabbly, and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com/connect in your browser. Now after browsing the website, we need to sign into a Pabbly account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on the sign in. But if you are a new user, click on the sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. As I'm an existing user, I'll click on the sign in. And here a dashboard has appeared showing me all the Pabbly applications. Here I need to click on this Pabbly Connect Access Now. And it has taken me to this dashboard where I will be able to find all my workflows here and all the folders that I have created here. If you want to create a new folder, you just need to click on this plus icon, and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on this create workflow, and first I need to give the workflow name and then select the folder in which I want to save this workflow. So first let's name this workflow as Send WhatsApp message to IndiaMART leads inquiries for banking service. Now I need to select my folder. So these are the folders that have been created, and I want to select this IndiaMART and then click on this create. Now as soon as I click on create, two boxes have appeared in front of me. One is trigger, other is action. So trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger in a workflow, but as many as action applications as you want. Here in this workflow, I want to send automated WhatsApp message to IndiaMART leads for banking service inquiries, which means whenever I will receive new lead or the inquiry in my IndiaMART, an automated WhatsApp message will be sent to all these leads, which means whenever I will receive new inquiry in IndiaMART, this complete workflow here will get triggered. So here in my trigger application, I am going to take IndiaMART, and then in my trigger event, I am going to take new leads, such that whenever a new lead will be generated, this complete workflow will get triggered and an automated WhatsApp message will be sent to that lead. Now we need to make connection between Pabbly Connect and IndiaMART, for which a webhook URL is provided to me, and this URL is going to act as a bridge to connect my IndiaMART with Pabbly Connect. So reading this help desk given below over here, I will make this connection, and to make this connection, let me take you to my IndiaMART. So this is my IndiaMART account, and this is the seller's dashboard of IndiaMART. On the left hand side, I can see all these options. Here I have to click on this lead manager, and then in the three dots, I have to click on this import export leads, and then I have to click on this push API. So now I need to select the source and then enter the CRM platform name. So as I click on this, I can see all the sources in this drop down. I have to select this others, and then I have to enter the CRM platform name and the webhook listener URL. So this is the same webhook URL which I am provided in my Pabbly Connect workflow. So first I will enter the CRM platform name, which is Pabbly Connect. And then I have to enter the webhook listener URL, and to enter this, I have to go back to Pabbly Connect and copy this webhook URL and paste that webhook URL over here. Now I have to click on the save details, and as I click on that, I am needed to enter that why I want to make connection between Pabbly Connect and IndiaMART. So in this drop down, I can select any of the reason according to my choice and preference. I want to select this. I can easily assign leads to my sales team and manage their performance, and then next I have to click click on this click to generate OTP. So here I have successfully added my webbook listener URL, and now let's go back to Pabbly Connect, and if I scroll down I can see this waiting for the webbook response, and under this it is written, now log into the application where you have added the webbook URL and do test submission so that the data can be recorded here in the webbook response. This means so as to get the webbook response over here I need to do a test submission, for which I am going to open my profile that I have created in incognito mode and do a test submission from that profile and check whether that inquiry has been captured here in the Pabbly Connect or not. So let's open my IndiaMART. So here I have opened the profile that I have created and I have searched for my business. So I am going to send inquiry to my IndiaMART business from this profile, and after searching for the business I simply have to click on this contact supplier and add my inquiry in this box. So I have added my inquiry. Hi, could you please provide me with more information regarding the following types of banking service available, example personal business loans etc. Fees and charges associated with these services. I appreciate your assistance and look forward to your prompt response. Thank you. Now I have to click on this submit, and then as this is not a required field I am going to skip this and then click on this submit. I have successfully submitted my inquiry to this business, and now I need to check whether this inquiry has been captured there in my Pabbly Connect or not. So let's go back to Pabbly Connect, and here I can see I have successfully received the response. The status is success. I have received the unique query ID. So this unique query ID will be different and unique for every query. I have received the response subject, which is requirement for Pabbly Connect free demo available. I have received the response, the state, the name of the sender. So this is the name that I have entered to create that profile and send the inquiry. I have received the sender email, which was latest@pabblytudes.com. The sender company is latest company. Here I have received other details, country, city, address, and then I have received the product name. Here I have received my query message, which was, could you please provide me with more information regarding types of banking service available, fees and charges associated with these services. I appreciate your assistance and look forward to your prompt response. Thank you. So this was my query, and I have received the exact same query that I have entered from that profile in my Pabbly Connect. This means the connection that we have created between Pabbly Connect and IndiaMART is successful, and now whenever someone will send inquiry, I will start receiving that inquiry in my Pabbly Connect. So we have successfully built connection between IndiaMART and Pabbly Connect, and now that we have done that, we have to move to the next step, that we want to send automated WhatsApp message to all these queries. So here in my action application, I am going to take WhatsApp by AI Sensei, with the help of which I am going to send automated WhatsApp message to these queries, and then in my action event I am going to take send template message. Now I have to click on this connect, and if you have an existing connection you can go with save. If you don't have one, you have to click on this add new connection, and then you have to enter this API key to make the connection. And to enter this, let me take you to my AI Sensei account. So this is my AI Sensei account, and on the left hand side I can see all these options. Here I have to click on this manage, and then on the left hand side itself I can see this API key option. I will open this, and here this is my API key. So I just need to copy this and paste that over here. Now I have to click on this save. So WhatsApp by AI Sensei is connected with Pabbly Connect, and now I have to enter all these details. So the first one is campaign name. So to enter this campaign name, let's open my AI Sensei account. So this is my AI Sensei account, and on the left hand side I can see this manage option. We will click on this again, and we can see all the options here. I have to open this all, and here I can see all the templates that I have created. Here this is my template for this workflow, which is banking query. Hi, thanks for your inquiry. We offer a range of banking service including personal and business accounts, loans and more. I'll send you the details about our service, fees and any special offers shortly. If you have any specific question or need assistance with something else, feel free to ask. Thanks, regards. So over here I have used a custom variable which will keep changing whenever I will receive a new lead, and this will keep changing with the name of the lead. So now if you want to create a new template, you simply have to click on this new, and you have to enter all these details, after which your template will be created. And now we have to enter campaign name in our Pabbly Connect. So to enter the campaign name, on the left hand side itself I can see this campaigns option. So I will open this, and then you have to click on this launch, and then you have to click on this API campaign. Here you first need to enter the campaign name, and then you have to select the template. So there the template name was banking query, and I want to name my campaign name same as that of my template. So here I will enter my campaign name as banking query, and here you can see that this is the same template and I am creating the same campaign for this template. So here now I simply have to click on this set live. So now that my campaign is live, I'll go to campaign, and here this is the campaign name. So I will copy this campaign name banking query, and then I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and paste that campaign name over here. Now I have to enter the mobile number, and to enter this I'm going to use a method called mapping, which means I'm going to enter data from my previous response. So here I have received response in my IndiaMART. So as soon as I click on this mobile number field, I am able to see this IndiaMART and all the responses that I have received from IndiaMART. So I will enter my mobile number as, and now I have to enter the username. So here I have received the username. The username is the name of the lead. So here this is the name. And then in the source and tags, I am going to leave this blank because these are not required fields. And then in the template parameters, it is written, enter the parameter values to be filled in the template message here. The template value should be comma separated. Example this. So here, as I just have one custom variable, which is the name of the lead, so I will enter the name of the lead, which is this one. Now over here I just have one custom variable, but if I had many, I should have put comma and then entered other variables here. So now that I just have one, I will enter that name or the name of the lead itself. Now over in the attributes, URL and file name, these fields are not required ones, so I'm going to skip this. Now over here, mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in these fields. Manually entering the data will make these fields static and the information will not change even if you have received the new response. Over here, if I manually enter any data, this field will become static, and every time I receive a new response, the result will not change. So as to keep these fields dynamic, we use this process mapping. Now I have to scroll down and simply click on the save and send test request. Now here we can see we have received the response. The status is true. Now I need to open my WhatsApp and check whether I have received this message there or not. So here I can see I have successfully received the message and the custom variable has been replaced with the name of the lead. Hi, thanks for your inquiry. We offer a range of banking services including personal and business accounts, loans and more. So this is the same template that we have created in EISensi and we have received this as a message in my WhatsApp. So now to summarize, we took IndiaMART as our trigger application where we made connection with Pabbly Connect with the help of this webhook URL. We sent a test inquiry from my profile and received the response in Pabbly Connect. After which we took action application as WhatsApp via EISensi where we entered the campaign name. We entered the username and the template parameters, simply clicked on the save and send test request and received the response as this WhatsApp message being sent to the contact number of this lead. So we have successfully created automation between IndiaMART and WhatsApp by EISensi with the help of Pabbly Connect. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.